Today's COBB highlight introduces the COBB Subaru Intake Tube for the 2020 Plus Outback XT and the Outback Wilderness. The FA24 DIT is an outstanding engine for this Subaru off-road wagon, but the factory intake piping leaves some room for potential improvement. The stock intake tube has several corrugated sections, plus the material is a combo of plastic and rubber that becomes less sturdy and durable over time. The COBB intake tube consists of a one-piece 3-inch mandrel bent aluminum component with a textured black coating that significantly increases consistent airflow to the turbo and uses high-quality multi-layer silicone couplers and clamps that add style and convenience to the installation. The OEM intake design incorporates a hydrocarbon trap that is federally mandated in the US and cannot be removed. While the trap does create an airflow restriction, the COBB intake tube creates improvements in airflow which mitigate the negative impact of the hydrocarbon trap. With the design constraints of retaining the factory hydrocarbon trap, our intake solution consists of fewer design components, and that means that you see satisfying results without breaking the bank or the law. And the cherry on top is that this intake tube is covered by a CARB EO, making it legal to install in all 50 states. So before you go on a wilderness adventure or cruise through the Outback, make a stop at cobbtuning.com to order a COBB intake tube for your Subaru today.